In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Access. If you're on a Windows computer and have Access installed, there are several quick ways to get it running. I'll walk you through each option and share what to expect so you can pick the method that fits your workflow. The fastest way is directly from the Start menu search. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open Start, then begin typing Microsoft Access. As soon as you see Access appear in the search results, usually with the familiar red key icon, click it. This launches the program right away and is perfect when you don't want to browse through menus. You can also open Access by starting from a database file. Locate a file that ends in ECDB or MDB on your computer, such as one stored in your Documents or Downloads folder. Double-click that file. Windows will automatically open Microsoft Access and load that database for you, which is especially handy when you're working from an email attachment or a shared drive. Just make sure you trust the source of the file before opening it. If you prefer to browse your installed programs, you can start Access from the Apps list. Click the Start button, go to All Apps, and scroll to find either the Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 folder, depending on your installation. Open that folder and click Microsoft Access. This approach is helpful if you like launching apps from a predictable place every time. Once Access is open, you can open a specific database from within the app. Click the File tab in the upper left, choose Open, and then select Browse. Navigate to the folder that contains your .ecdb or .mdb file. Select it, and click Open. On Access's Start screen, you'll also see a list of recent files which you can select to jump back into databases you've used before. A few important notes before we wrap up. Microsoft Access is designed for Windows and doesn't run natively on Mac. You do need to have it installed. It's included with certain Microsoft 365 plans or available as a standalone app. If Access won't launch or seems limited, you might have the runtime version installed, which is intended for running existing databases but doesn't include full design features. With these methods and tips, you'll be able to open Microsoft Access and get to work quickly, whether you're launching the app itself or jumping straight into a database.